Welcome back. The Talegaon MLA Babush Montserrat challenged the Chief Minister Digambar Kamath to show he is in charge of the government by removing the IT Minister Dayanu Narvekar from cabinet over the Donapola IT Habitat scam.
If Chief Minister has got any authority to rule, or if he wants to show that he has got authority, let him, now is the time for him to show it. How? By removing Finance Minister. In fact, by dismissing this ministry.
Briefing media persons, Mr. Montserrat accused Mr. Narvekar for pocketing crore of rupees through IT Habitat land deals.
First and foremost, I charge the minister for pocketing. I charge him for pocketing the money equivalent to what the others, in fact, landowners sold the land. First and foremost, if this thing was very clean and transparent, it should have been in a transparent manner by auctioning the plot to the real estate developers. Why this thing has not been done? This is clearly a fraud of more than thousands of crores of rupees, and this money has gone from the people's pocket to the minister.
Mr. Montserrat released a document and pointed that IT Habitat is a SEZ.
Government has considered the applications favorably and has decided to recommend the same to the Ministry of Commerce, Government of India for consideration. This is written to the Union Commerce Minister by the former Chief Minister.
He also questioned for not scrapping IT Habitat, it was also original SEZ.
When Chief Minister is saying that he has cancelled all the SEZs, so why is this SEZ still pending?
He also said that the white paper which is released by the government on IT Habitat is nothing but a black deed of IT Minister.
It is just a white paper which the government has sent me. It is the black deed of the IT Minister.
Mr. Montserrat also issued deadline to government to withdraw the cases filed against the people of his constituency.
See, I am clearly giving a deadline to the government. By 10th, the government should withdraw all these false cases what they have received. In fact, the police department should register a case for unlawful assembly against the Youth Congress. Or I will go to the court saying that police has not acted. And police in fact was instrumental in sending those people to my house.
Says Virodhi Manch Gerald Panjim Diva SP for having failed to register FIR against persons named by them in the complaint as involved in the SEZ land scam. Says Virodhi Manch members agitated outside the Panjim Diva SP's office. More than 100 residents from Keri, Sankwal, Titol and Verna under the banner of Says Virodhi Manch garrowed the sub-divisional police officer Mohan Naik in his cabin and demanded that he immediately directed his subordinates to register FIR against the accused person. Frankie Montero, member of SEZ Virodhi Manch, reminded that earlier complaints have been lodged at various departments about the fraud.
थोडेच महिन्यासाठी एक क्रिमिनल कंप्लेंट फाइल केली. वेर्ना पुलिस स्टेशन, मायना कुर्तरी पुलिस स्टेशन, CID डिपार्टमेंट, विजिलन्स हाजे कॉपी आम्ही चीफ मिनिस्टराक धाडलो, चीफ सेक्रेटरीक धाडलो, होम मिनिस्टराक धाडलो. दाखोवन की GIDCन सेज कंपनीक उणे 24 ते 25 लाख जमीन दिल्या, हे आपले कायदे मोडून दिल्या. एक आनी एक कायदो ताणी आपलो तोडला, आपले प्रोसिजर फॉलो करूंक ना, मिटिंगेच्यो नोटीस्यो टायमार पावूंक ना, सगळ्यो हे कायदे मोडल्यात म्हणून आमी एक क्रिमिनल केस फायल केल्या. आता आयज पासून ती केस रजिस्टर करूंक ना. आमी खूब पावटी विजिलन्सान गेले, खूब पावटी हे पुलीस स्टेशनाचेर गेले, चीफ सेक्रेटरीक मेवले, चीफ मिनिस्टराक मेवले. येयल्ले फावटी ते आमकां आश्वासन दिता तुमचे आमी रजिस्टर करतलेत, इन्वेस्टिगेट करतलेत, पूण आयज पासून ताणी ती रजिस्टर करूंक ना. हे पासत आमी आयज जमा जाल्यात. आमकां पुलिसी कडल्यान आश्वासन जाय, आमकां पुलिसीन रजिस्टर केल्ले जाय.
Arvind Batikar of Zagrut Goye said that Inspector General Police Kishan Kumar had given them an assurance to conduct an inquiry.
No, IG Inspector General of Police Kishan Kumar ताका हांगा चार्ज घेतल्यात. 1 म्हयनो काय 1.5 म्हयनो कितलो जाला. ताणें आमकां सांगलां की इन्क्वायरी आमी करतात आनी आमी स्पीडअप करतले इन्क्वायरी. आनी ताणें आमचे उजेर बसून फोन करून सांगलां स्पीडअप करात. आनी आमी रजिस्ट्रेशनाचे विचारले तेन्ना तुमी कंप्लेंट पळयतले आनी तातूंत आमी ते कॉग्निजेबल ऑफेन्स आसा काय ना तें पळयतले आनी कॉग्निजेबल ऑफेन्स जर आसत जाल्यार आमी रजिस्ट्रेशन करतले.
Time for a short break here with Goa 365.